Try to enter the west alley.
Copy. Bravo 6, revving interior.
I'll get the kettle on.
Quiet.
We're working with an ultra-nationalist group. They'll handle operations in the east after the attacks.
Trust the wolf.
You know I do.
Drop him.
But this operation...
Secure.
Alpha 3. Entering through the front door.
Bravo 6, moving to the first floor. Down the door.
X-ray down.
Two X-rays down.
Copy. Make sure this floor's secure.
First floor secure.
On me. Bravo 6, moving to the second floor.
Outside the door!
Roger, moving. Clear that room.
Bedroom clear.
Check every room.
Floor secure.
Right up the stairs.
I got ya.
Bravo 6, taking the third floor.
I swore an oath. I will not betray the wolf.
Then let me out. I don't want to be here if you're gone.
Let me go. Get here. Let me go.
Check your shots.
Hands up! Now! Don't move! Secure him. Suck that kid up. Secure.
Last floor, take point, Sergeant.
Locked.
Try and take him alive.
Down! Get down! Get down!
Don't shoot! Don't shoot, please! They were going to kill
Don't
me!
move!
They...
Clear.
All teams, townhouse secure. Commence SSE.
Oh, fucking hell. She was going for a bloody detonator.
Good job we dropped it in.
We made the right call, sir.
We'll bet your ass. We got a location on the wolf.